Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization recruitment notification. And here the different designations are there. And the maximum salary is up to 54,000 rupees per month. And if your requirement is not covered in this video, then please post your requirement in the comment section. Based upon that one, definitely I will come up in the next video if the recruitments are there. Okay. So to get my videos as a notification, so you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And after watching this video, so please share this one to your friends or colleagues who are having these qualifications. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, subscribe and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Academy paid courses are there. By keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the Ministry of Defense from the DRDO. So Defense Materials and Stores Research Development Establishment. Kanpur. So from this one here, the walk-in interviews are there for the position of a research associate and the junior research fellows. So walk-in interview of the candidates fulfilling the qualifications mentioned below, initially for a period of 2 years, is to be held in DMSRDE, that is Defense Materials and Store Research and Development Establishment, Kanpur, to award the research junior research fellowships. And coming to here, the 4 different designations are there. That means generally 2 designations with different subjects are there here. And each and every position is having the 1 vacancy. That means 1 associate or the fellowship is there. So coming to the research associate in chemistry department, and PhD or equivalent degree in relevant discipline from recognized university is required. And for the junior research fellowship chemistry also, postgraduate in relevant discipline in first class with the NET qualification. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are having the NET qualification in the chemistry. So utilize this opportunity. And the date and time of walk-in interview, 15th September 2021, morning 9 o'clock. Fine. And coming to the junior research fellowship in chemical engineering as well as mechanical engineering. So chemical engineering, of course, graduate degree, for both chemical as well as mechanical, graduate degree in professional course and relevant discipline in first division with the NET or GATE, or else a postgraduate in professional course ME or MTech in a relevant discipline in first division, both at the graduate and the postgraduate level. That means if you are applying with only BTech for this 2 posts, you must have the valid NET or GATE qualification must be there. Okay. So NET qualification means generally for the undergraduates UGC NET is not there. So it means that the CSIR UGC NET. Fine. And coming to the, if you are having the post graduation in ME or MTech with first division in both the graduation as well as the post graduation, then NET or GATE qualification is not necessary. And here the interview, walk-in interview is on 16th September 2021, morning 9 o'clock. Fine. And the number of vacancies may vary depending upon the requirement at the time of walk-in interview. A vacancy may be kept unfilled if no candidate is found suitable. And coming to the age limitations, for research associate 35 years, that means within the 35 years, the candidate has to finish the PhD. Alright. And JRF is 28 years as on the time of date of interview. And age relaxations are applicable as per the Government of India norms, that is 5 years relaxation for SC, ST and 3 years for the OBC candidates. And fellowship stipend 54,000 rupees per month for the research associate and 31,000 rupees per month for the first and second year of the JRF. And coming to the contingency grant is also available up to 15,000 rupees per annum, and 20,000 rupees per annum shall be paid to the research fellows and research associates respectively. That means 15,000 rupees for the JRF candidates and 20,000 rupees per annum for the research associates. Okay, on the reimbursement basis for the first 2 years, and the contingency grant may be increased to 20,000 rupees for the subsequent years. In case of JRF, they also eligible for HRA as per the government rules. Fine. And the research associates and the JRF are not eligible for other type of benefits like DA, CCA, bonus, retirement benefit, etc. These things they should not ask, and they are not eligible also. However, they are eligible for the medical facilities for self only through MI room facility available in the campus. Fine. And the award of fellowship or associateship will not confer any right to the candidate, right on the candidate for further employment in the DRDO. And interested candidates fulfilling the above qualification may appear for the walk-in interview at the DMSRDE Transit Facility, Kanpur, on the date and time as mentioned above, along with the biodata format enclosed here. So based upon that one only you have to take up, clearly indicating the name of the fellowship or associateship applied for, the recent passport size photograph and Xerox copies of the testimonials. They must also bring all the original mark sheets, certificates, testimonials, community certificates, if applicable, GATE or NET scorecard, and the ID proof, voter's ID or else Aadhaar card or else a PAN card or driving license. And candidates working in government or public sector undertaking autonomous bodies should apply through proper channel. And here one flexibility is given to the research associateship, that is the candidate who has submitted their PhD thesis also appear in the walk-in interview. Fine. However, the research associateship shall be awarded only after the candidate has been awarded the degree or the provisional certificate. Fine. And so these are all the things, and here the application format is also mentioned. So you have to take this application format, guys. Okay. So anyhow, so these are the complete details regarding this recruitment notification from the Defense Research and Development Organization. So utilize this opportunity to the, whoever the candidates belongs to these qualifications, utilize this opportunity, guys. And to get the more videos like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may close this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the Plus subscription and second one is the Iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the Plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the Plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the Plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.